Hey, welcome back to the Conversion Clinic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly set up your own dynamic search ads in a few easy steps. So what we'll do is open up one of your ads that you're proud of. So you might already have an ad that you really love the content from the ad that you've written, and just open that up. And in another tab, you'll go over to your ad groups and you'll want to create your dynamic search ad. So where do you create that? So normally you want to create it inside of a campaign that kind of targets multiple services. So what we're going to do is we've got one campaign here for the entire area of Sydney, and it's targeting all of our other services. And we want to use a dynamic search ad to compete against them to see if it beats them. And so what you'll do is click on the little plus button when you're in the ad groups level, and then it's going to show you a few options as though you're normally setting up your ads in ad group. So here where it says ad group type, just click on dynamic and continue. And so it's going to dynamically pull from your website the pages that you select. So we might want to select all pages across the entire website here, but maybe there's certain pages that you want to just target specifically and just for it to pull the content for those specific pages. For the sake of this tutorial, let's make it quick and easy. So let's go all web pages and click select. And afterwards, I'll show you how to add negative dynamic targets, which means that you might want to run to all web pages, but not to your blog. Okay, so that might be one situation that you're going through. So we might name this DSA, and we might go save and continue. Whoops, we haven't put in the website. So we might go back over to the ad we like, put in the website, and paste that in. And so that should be good. So let's save and continue. And so what it's going to do now is it's going to ask us for a description. And that's why I told you to open up the ad that you like, because we might just go through here and copy some descriptions in here. So I might just go in here and say this, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go through it quickly. This is not what I normally do, but let's just do it. So let's go there, and then we're all good with the URL if you want to have your own tracking template. And then you click done, and then save and continue. So the final step, as I mentioned, is to add negative dynamic targets, or if that's the way that you say it. Okay, so click on the DSA, and then we've got dynamic ad targets here. So we're targeting it to all web pages, but we might not want it to go to our blog posts or our privacy policy, etc. So you might click on the negative dynamic ad groups, click on create negative dynamic ad groups, and you might want to create some rules. So you either add the exact blog URL here, but I might think that, okay, every single blog article that I have in the URL contains blog anyway. I might as well just say anything that contains blog in the URL. I don't want to, obviously bid on that. So we might add that, and it's gone to the right hand side, and you click save. And that's as easy as it is. So you can, use your imagination. There's many ways you can use dynamic search ads. They're super helpful, super easy. Sometimes you might want to run them to your blog on purpose, so you're educating people middle of funnel or top of funnel. So it's really cool all the ways that you can use this. So I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.